Say hi, Mateo. Oh! Oh, you're so cute on camera. All right, I gotta go film. Hi guys, so I'm back again with another quick haul. It's only 2 items this time around. So last haul I showed you some Michael Kors boots. I was super excited about them. You know, we had the impression we could expand them so that they could fit my big ass calves. Well, they could not be expanded. Brandon made some calls, found out they couldn't be expanded. We had to say goodbye to them. So yesterday we took them back to the mall and I got something that will not give me a headache. I didn't want to try on shoes and get my heart broken, so I just went for a bag this time around. And so I told them to wrap it. I didn't, you know, they grabbed one from the back. I have not unwrapped it. I said I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna catch this on camera, so I'm honest with you guys about the fact that I no longer have those boots because my calves could not fit. So it came wrapped up like this. They just grabbed it in the back. They still had a sale going on, which was I think 25% off their sale price. And first thing to come out is straps, some stuffing. Ooh, so cute. So this is the bag. I guess I will unwrap it and then come show you fully, but I mean right now you can see it's just full of stuffing. All done unwrapping it. So just officially, this is the Savannah large Saffiano leather satchel. I can't really say that name off the top of my head. So it's the Savannah large Saffiano leather satchel in oyster. This is what oyster looks like. To me it looked a little pink or nude and I thought that was super cute, and I was trying to find something classic for work. I mostly wear all black to work, black shoes, black anything I can find, black sweaters, it's always cold. So this would be a nice pop of color, and I think it'll work with any color, and it's also a good size. So it'll take a lot of my stuff. So I think it'll work well on weekends and weekdays, so I wouldn't have to switch out bags so much. And in one of the compartments when I was taking out stuffing was a, I guess a storage bag or travel bag, however you want to call it, and it just says Michael Kors on it. It's a nice size, so let me show you bag to bag ratio. Ooh, pretty much takes it all in. I don't know if you can see this. But it's a good size is what I'm trying to say. And yeah, so this is the bag. It's so cute, and so it's technically my Christmas/birthday present from Bay. And yeah, even with the deal, like it was just calling to me, and so when I found out it was on sale, it was like perfect, we'll take that. Sorry, this haul has been a bit of a mess. It's late and my tongue is all twisted, and I'm just trying to film this so I can carry my purse to work tomorrow. So I'm gonna open the next package. God help me, it looks like it's hard to open. Okay, so this second package is my birthday present, Christmas present, present for the whole year, and present for the months, whatever to come. It's the splurge item. This technically is part of my 2017, I just chucked the box. This is part of my 2017 spending, so it doesn't count as new year, new me, right? New year, new savings and all that. This is my last splurge of the year. I got it for myself. It's my birthday present, and I'm excited to show you, to show myself, because I haven't seen it. I got it online. So first of all, it literally, there was nothing else in the box. It was just a cardboard box, nothing. And then these two things slid out. And so this is, as you can see, ooh, exciting. And I think this is just a return voucher, a thank you, and yeah, maybe the receipt. So that's all in this little pouch. And I just love this wrapping. It's like a present to me, and I get to unwrap it with you guys. So, oh, sucky now. Woo, so excited. Comes with that little tag on it, so I'm just gonna pull that off. And I'm just sliding this off. If you hear any meows, that's Mateo. We'll introduce him properly, but yeah, you probably saw him on the vlog already. And I'm sliding. And that's it. It comes in this cute little dust bag. Oh, moment of truth. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So it's super beautiful. This is officially the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet in Rose Ballerine. I looked all over YouTube and I hadn't seen anybody with it because I wanted to see what it looked like in person, not just in pictures. And so I couldn't find one, so that's part of why I'm doing this video, in case somebody else is interested in making this purchase. But I got it because I had been looking at card holders and key holders, and I actually asked Bae if I could get one, and he said I could, but he was referring to the key holders, to be fair. A key holder is cool and all, but honestly it's like, when do you use it? When you're home opening your house door. I need something I can whip out. Okay. So yeah, I'm really excited for this purchase. I'm like, my heart's beating so fast. I'm so excited. It's just really beautiful. I saw reviews on the other ones, the other versions of it. There's another one that's like wine looking. I don't remember the name. I'll write it here. It's Armide. I don't want to say it because I'm gonna say it wrong. But yeah, so other people have showed what it looks like with this leather, with this shiny leather. As you can tell, I'm not a connoisseur of any kind. I don't know the technical names, but all I know was she mentioned that you could put cash in here, coins in here if you want. And then while it's closed, you can actually still access your things here. Before this, let me show you what I've been using. I had this Aldo wallet, which I love, but I can't put in so many things in it that I actually thought the zipper was gonna pop. So it's beautiful, but then when I go like nights out, when I switch to my small bags, this can't fit. You know, sometimes those bags are like this small, like they're not that big. So usually, I don't know, for the past month I haven't carried this. I've been carrying this, which is a small wallet from Target, but it's a easy card holder. It has all my stuff in it, receipts, everything, you name it, and it has enough compartments. But it's not really classy, and as you can see, the threads coming out, and it just looks really rough, and it's also taken on the dirt from my jeans and things like that. So that's one thing I am worried about with this, that it will take on some color change. But I'm hoping because of the patent, the leather, the shiny, you know, material, that I can clean it better, you know. But I am worried about the inside getting stained, but you know, if you use things, they're gonna get stained, whatever. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna put some cards in it and show you what it looks like stuffed. Okay, so I stuffed it as best as I can, and it looks pretty good still. So it still closes with ease, right there. Snaps shut. This just hangs out. It's still really cute. And in here you can see how stuffed it is. It's really tight though. It's not tight here, right? But here it really just takes about 6 cards, 3 here, 3 here. Because I don't know, I guess I could fit more, but it just looks like snug, so I think it has to be stretched out a little bit. I think someone else mentioned putting stuffing in it, just random cardboards in it to stretch it out overnight. But for me, I put them on this side. I put extra cards on the inside, these 2 compartments right here, in here and in here, just because it fits. But yeah, I think it does need to be stretched. But apart from that, you can see it still has a lot of give. It can close really easily, and I like that it's a good snap, so you know it's shut. Someone was mentioning also that it's easy to just grab a card out if you need it. Let me see if I can get my license or something. Ooh, that worked. So yeah, you can just pull things out if it's urgent and you don't want to open it all the way out. But I like that. I think this is really beautiful, and I'm really excited I got it. So yeah, this concludes a very all over the place haul, and I'll link everything down below if you're interested in getting any of these items. I cannot wait till I get this, take it to work, have my little trusty wallet, put it in there, and just be good to go. I love the strap too because I like to wear my bag as a I like to carry my bag as a crossbody strap a lot, especially in the cold, because I'm not trying to have my hands out of my pocket. And I love that this one, you know, it does come with like belt holes, so I can adjust the length. So my cat's beginning to chew on things, all the wrapping on the floor, so I'm gonna get out of here. But thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.